Wall Street meets Monopoly. That's what this game is. Let's unbox it and let's review it. Daytrader, Strike It Rich. A financial board game. Ages 10 plus. 2 to 6 players. Ooh. All right. Yeah, it looks exactly like Monopoly. Look at the board.
Look at these. You got this. Look, you got briefcases over here.
Briefcases? Oh, look at that. Are those the players? Oh, you got chips.
Maybe let's read the instructions.
Yeah, let's read the instructions. Each player selects a briefcase and 5 tokens. I'll be red since.
Oh, I was gonna pick.
You're gonna pick red?
Red.
Okay, all right. So you're
red for bold. So you're red.
Okay, I'm red for bold.
I'll just choose.
And what I'll do is,
bam.
You're blue. Blue for calming. So to win, you have to buy a retirement card and save $3 million and sell company stocks purchased during the game. I think the best way to describe this game is Monopoly meets life, but also more realistic. So if for those of you who play the game Life, it's like, you know, you go through your whole life apparently and all these things happen to you, but that game's more for fun. It doesn't really represent life. And then Monopoly's fun, you know, but it's not really how real estate's done. Playing this game, it kind of feels like the daily hustle of working. It really does. It reminds me of what a person from its early 20s to, I don't know, 60 goes through. You know, whether he wants to keep going with that company, whether he wants to take a risk, you know, do something here, whether he wants to buy a company, whether he wants to invest in something. And I think the funniest thing is you have to pay taxes in this game. It's like they got tax brackets for you. When you land on these tax boards, you actually have to pay within your tax bracket. I think that's really funny, and it gives me a little warm feeling in here. It's like whoever designed this game really thought about it, really thought about the market cycle, really thought about how businesses work. My one little criticism is that I feel like the learning curve for this game is a little high. The game says it's for ages 10 and up. I really don't think kids 10 to 14, maybe even 10 to 16 really would be able to play this game and have a lot of fun. I could be wrong, you know. I was kind of a dumb middle school, high schooler, so maybe other people smarter than me will be able to play this in high school and really have fun, and maybe it develops their skills so they're ahead of their competition when they go to Wall Street. I don't know. I thank the people who designed the game for sending it to me, and I look forward to playing this with my friends in the future.